today I got a little bit of a storage issue down in the basement, as you can see. So I grabbed some lumber, some typical 2x4 pine, and some ground contact pressure treated lumber for the post, some OSB, and I got to work here. You can see I went about 6 feet high, and then this first shelf I'm about 10 feet in length with the post on each end, and a post in the center about 5 feet or so. You can see I got some blocking going on between each shelf, each one of these shelves being about 18 inches apart from each other on center and about 8 inches off the floor, just in case we have any flooding. That's also why you want to use pressure treated lumber. You don't want to go any lower than about 6 inches off the floor, and that's just in case you do have any type of flooding. You're well enough away from that with any types of items you have on that first shelf. So you can see me here fitting in my frame. So I had everything framed out, and then I got my post in position. Starting the shelf off is about the trickiest part, and that's just setting your post in position, getting your first shelf in there, and just screwing it in place and getting all those posts to line up well. You don't really want to worry about alignment until you start getting your second shelf in there, as far as your level being plumb, both horizontally and vertically. So with this first shelf here, I'm about 10 feet in length and 6 feet high, 8 inches or 18 inches between each shelf and 8 inches off the floor. Then we move on to the next room here, which I am building 2 shelves, 8 feet in length, 6 feet high again, and I made these shelves to be movable. I didn't fasten anything to the joists or to the walls or anything to the floor. It's totally movable. I know that may pose some concern, as will the shelves tip over? No, and that is just because of how heavy it is without anything on there. Just with the lumber itself, it keeps it pretty well. And as long as you have everything level on the floor, there's no rocking. That's something that I made sure that I did. After each shelf, I would give it a nice rock, push on it on all different directions, and just make sure that it's level on the floor, and at the same time that it is level to the room as well. So that's about it, and I hope it helps you out. Seeing that it's a pretty common problem that a lot of people have when you've lived in a place for a while. You may be looking for that additional storage space. So take care, have a good day.